What is the scale factor that would dilate the bigger image to the smaller? Okay, so when we talk about scale factor, we have the formula image over pre-image. And the order does matter. It does matter which one is the image and which one is the pre-image. So if we're trying to dilate from the bigger to the smaller, that means we start with the bigger one. That's going to be our pre-image, the one we start with. And we're going to end up with the smaller one. That's going to be our image. So I'm going to go ahead and label them. The bigger one will be the pre-image. The smaller one will be the image. You can also tell based on tick marks, if the problem has tick marks. The ones that have the like B prime, C prime, all of that, that's the image. That's the final product. Okay, so we want to find the scale factor. So basically, we just need to find one of the side lengths of the image. It doesn't matter which side length we use. I'm going to go ahead and find the length from A to B. I'm just going to count. That's 2 units long. And then I need to find the corresponding side length on the other one. So again, I'm going to go A to B, and that's 4 units long. So my image was 2, my pre-image was 4, and if I reduce that, I get 1/2. So my scale factor here is 1/2. Now if this was multiple choice, you could do some eliminating, because if you know that you're starting bigger and you're getting smaller, you know that the absolute value of the scale factor has to be between 0 and 1. So anything greater than 1, you could go ahead and eliminate. That might help you as a test-taking strategy. But in this problem, our scale factor is 1/2. We're making it half of its size.